Have you noticed that the Gmail app or any of the Google apps on your Android device don't have the sign out option? To sign out of either Gmail or any of the Google apps on your Android phone, you need to sign out of your Google account on the device. In this video, I am going to show two methods for signing out of Google account on Android. The easiest way to remove a Google account from your Android smartphone is by using the Settings menu. Open the Settings app. Scroll down to Accounts and Sync. Tap on Google. Select the Gmail ID you wish to sign out from. Tap More Options, and remove your account. You are done. You have successfully removed your Google account on your Android device. Using this method, you can sign out of your Google account without access to your device. For example, if you have lost your phone and want to log out of your Google account remotely, you can do that using Google Dashboard. For this, you need a laptop with an internet connection and your Google account credentials. Open your browser and go to myaccount.google.com. Log in to your Google account. Go to the Security tab, and look for your Devices section. Click on Manage Devices. Here, you will see all the devices you are signed into. Click on the device that you wish to sign out from, and click Sign Out.